In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open files in Microsoft Teams. Let's start from the very beginning so you can follow along easily, even if you're new to Teams. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams, either through your web browser or the desktop app. Once you're in, you'll land on the main Teams interface, where you can see options like Activity, Chat, Teams, Calendar, and more, usually along the left-hand side of the screen. To open files that have been shared with you in conversations, you'll want to begin in the chat section. Look for the chat icon in the navigation pane. It typically looks like a speech bubble. Click on chat, and this will open a list of your recent one-on-one and group conversations. This is where most files are shared in day-to-day work, especially if you're collaborating directly with colleagues or small teams. After opening chat, choose the specific conversation where you know a file was shared. You can scroll through your chat history to find it, but there's a much easier way to see all the files related to that chat in one place. At the top of the chat window, you'll see a row of tabs. One of these tabs is labeled Files. Go ahead and click on Files. The Files tab is essentially a dedicated area that gathers all documents, images, and other items that have been shared in that particular chat. Instead of hunting through old messages, you'll see a clean list of everything that's been shared. This list will usually show you the file name, the person who shared it, and the date it was added, which makes it much easier to find what you're looking for. From here, opening a file is simple. Just locate the file you want and click on its name. Most files will open directly inside Teams using the built-in viewer or editor, such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint online. This means you can quickly read or edit documents without leaving the app. If needed, you can also use the Options menu next to the file name to open it in the desktop version of the app or download it to your device for offline use. That's all there is to it. By going to Chat, selecting your conversation, and using the Files tab, you can quickly access and open any files shared with you in Microsoft Teams.